Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I will show you how to change your profile video in TikTok. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime Music. I have a 30-day free trial in my video description, so stick around until the end of this video and I'll go over the details of this Amazon Prime Music offer. And remember, I have the link in my video description, so if you want to try it, click in the video description and you'll see a link to it. Now let's go back to how to change your profile video on TikTok. To begin, just open up your TikTok app like I have here. Once you have it open, if you look on the bottom right hand corner, you see this icon right here, this like little person icon. Click on that. This will take you to your profile page. Once you're here, click over here where it says edit profile. Okay, once here, if you see over here where it says profile video, click on that. And you can select a video that you would like. So let me choose this video. And then you only get 6 seconds of this video. So if your video is longer than 6 seconds, you can move this around. You see here in the bottom over here, you can move that around when your video is longer than 6 seconds, but mine is apparently not longer than 6 seconds. So once you have selected the right length, look on the upper right hand corner. Do you see where it says done? Click on that. And it says it's processing. Let's go, buddy. Okay, and once you have done that, make sure you click over here where it says save. That's very important. And I have a video over there. My video, it's not playing. How do I get back? Let's go back to TikTok. Sucks now, but that's how you can change your video on TikTok. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the video comments. And also for the Amazon Prime benefits, you get unlimited ad-free access to over 1 million songs for just $99 per year. In addition to other Prime benefits, you can instantly stream over 40,000 movies and TV episodes, borrow books from the Kindle owner's lending library, and my absolutely favorite one, you get unlimited free 2-day shipping with no minimum order size. I have a 30-day free trial in link in my video description. So if you want to try the Amazon Prime Music benefits for just 30 days with no commitment, click in the link, and I think you really like it. You're gonna end up getting it. Thank you for watching.